What's up, you guys? So this is for the 2015 to 2020 F-150. This is so you don't have to buy the actual kit, $50 to replace the speakers. It's cut up the old speaker, actually damaging the speaker because they're about $20. Keep the leads that are already on the speaker. To preserve the speaker from actually breaking, I just take off the leads and then I break up the speaker and try to remove it from the housing. For little speakers this truck comes with, the speaker's quality comes out a lot better. I'm using kickers 6.5. Make sure you clean up the edges so it doesn't get in the way. You can remove the actual foam that's around it, or you can keep it on. It doesn't really matter. Doing this, you don't have to actually buy the connectors. This will bolt right up to the truck, and you can use the old connector. So this is how the connectors look. It looks a little funky and weird. These are little connectors you get. A little bit of heat wrap. I'm going to show you the end results. Everything looks good. I did want to start soldering it on the leads, but just not today. I don't feel like doing that. But everything looks good. You don't have to do this. You can take it off, solder it on the actual leads. You don't need to do any of that. But yeah, this goes back onto the truck here. Truck's gonna sound good. You have more highs, but yeah.